Hey guys, let's go for a quick nighttime pouring rain drive in the 24 TLX. This is a TLX tech package, by the way. I made a quick walk around video of it, which you can check out on the channel as well. It's pretty nice in here. I mean, it's really similar to the pre-facelift model. I mean, the screen is a lot bigger, being the MDX screen. Also, one thing that I noticed today is that you can access the ambient lighting straight from the home menu. It's all the same colors and everything, but you don't have to go through the settings and then go to lighting and then iconic drive. You don't have to go through 4 menus. You can access it straight from the whole screen. And then the digital gauge cluster from the MDX, borrowed straight from the MDX as well. It looks the same as well, except there's like a little, now I noticed that there's a yield sign up there, and the yield sign pops up here too, which is cool. That's something I haven't noticed in other ones. You also have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus like the screen is a lot more fluid, and plus when you change modes, the animation doesn't lag. It's very seamless, which is good. It would be nice if this had the heated steering wheel though. And now, even a stop sign shows up in here. That's actually kind of cool. I didn't know it did that. Stop sign, yield sign, speed limit, all shows up right away, which is nice. This one is front wheel drive. The A-Specs will come standard with all-wheel drive, and the Type S will have all the advanced features like the head-up display. They took out the advanced completely, and the base model, they don't exist anymore. The Type S will have the head-up display, 360 camera, heated steering wheel, heated rear seats. I'll be making a video on the A-Spec and the Type S as soon as we get some of those in stock. It's pretty heavy rain right now, but the front wheel drive is pretty nice. It's not really experiencing hydroplaning much under hard acceleration. Cabin noise is pretty limited. It's pretty limited as far as like road noise and all that. It kind of feels like it's a little less road noise than the pre-facelift. I'm not sure if they may have added some noise deadening like they did with the RDX when they facelifted it. But I'm really digging this big screen. It's much nicer than that smaller one. And also the tech package has the wireless charger, which the previous tech package didn't have. And from the front, the tech looks like an A-Spec because there's no chrome. It's just the frameless grille. This basically, and this has the advanced wheels. I do wish it came with a spoiler though. I think a lot of consumers will love the tech package as an entry level sedan, luxury sedan. Yeah, very comfortable drive. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. And I'll be making videos on the A-Spec and the Type S very soon. And please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one.